All right, once again, we are live this morning here at the ETSU Mini Dome for the 5th annual CareerQuest TN.
Yes.
What a great opportunity for students. We were saying, I wish they had this when we were younger.
Yeah, absolutely. I would have loved this when I was trying to figure things out, junior, senior year in high school. But I mean, the line just continues of students coming in here. It's such an exciting day. One of the areas that we look at is advanced manufacturing. And right now, I want to welcome from Eastman, Jeff Fain and Isaiah Ellison to join us for the conversation here. Good morning, gentlemen. How are y'all?
Good morning. Doing great.
You said this is your second year doing this, Jeff.
It is, second year.
How excited are you for this event?
Oh, this is awesome. I mean, it's just an amazing opportunity to be here with the students, talk about advanced manufacturing and all the other things going on. It's awesome.
And I love that you guys are kind of right behind us. We walked by your booth a little earlier. What kinds of things are you guys really trying to do to engage the students in your booth?
Yeah, so we're trying to show them some of the fun side of the STEM education. So we've got a liquid density test that we can ask the students kind of what they think which liquid's going to be a little bit more dense, and you can see the different layers and things like that. And then we also have a microscope set up with a lot of slides, so there's a list of slides they can choose from and throw those under the microscope and kind of see things a little close up. And then the other cool thing is we have a VR headset that kind of walks them through some electrical training and things like that, so from a safety perspective that some of the individuals in the plant might encounter. So it's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
You know, when you see those students, you see their reactions to what you all are showing them, I mean, that has got to be rewarding for you all. And also, these are folks who you're going to be hiring down the road as well.
Yes, sir. It's a great opportunity. The VR was a hit last year.
I bet.
So I think we talked about if we could bring it back this year. So that's always a big hit. But yeah, watching the kids as they learn more about careers in all the booths, but just talking about the things we do at Eastman, the careers we have, all the different pathways, the engagement's awesome.
And of course, Eastman has such a reputation here in our area, so already kind of attracts itself to students, to them to get kind of that up close look at this is what you might need in order to land that job at Eastman.
Right, just having the engaging conversations with them, right? Answering questions, talking about if you want to be in this career field, here's sort of the path you should go down. Right. But what's more important is explaining to them there's all kind of opportunities.
Yeah.
Anything from a PhD degree to a one-year certificate, we've got a place for you at Eastman.
And Isaiah, when they're asking questions, what are some of those questions that maybe caught you off guard, or what is the most common question you get too?
So a lot of the questions we get is, well, obviously, what do you do at Eastman? So we get to kind of explain what we do at Eastman, and you kind of see that light bulb click a little bit, and we can then start diving into a lot of different opportunities that we have at Eastman, and then we can engage with them, see what their interests are, and then talk to them about kind of the different career paths that are available to them.
What about the other partnerships that you have with some of the other folks that are here in this sector? Was it interesting to kind of get to have that conversation too with them on what they're doing and what you're bringing to the table?
Yeah, so obviously there's a ton of organizations here right now, and being able to see all the different people and be able to float around a little bit and see kind of what the other booths are doing and get a better understanding of what the other individuals or organizations in the community are doing is really cool. And I actually been able to network with a lot of people, and you know, there's some future partnerships on a lot of the things that we're doing when we're going to talk to schools and students and some of the colleges in the area. So it's really cool to be able to be part of that in one area.
Now, Lottie said there's a little friendly competition going on out here. Are y'all in the mix on that?
You know, there always is, right? Everybody's looking, what did you bring last year? What are you bringing this year? How are you getting the kids' attention? How are they engaging with you? So again, friendly competition is always good.
What are you looking? I mean, are you looking down the road for next year and saying, maybe we could bring this? You know,
absolutely.
Are you planning ahead?
Well, yeah, planning ahead, right? We were here last year, obviously. This year, and we're looking forward to next year.
All right.
And as we see the students coming in, you guys ready for another couple sessions? Do it again today, right?
We're ready.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
A lot of fun. Thank you so much for joining us, taking the time to meet with us. We're going to let them get back to their booth. The students are waiting.
I may go over and have to put that VR headset on because I love that stuff. I really do.
Come on down.
All right. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Hey, folks, we're just getting started. We got a lot going on today. It is Food City Friday as well. We'll check in with Chef Julie. They've got more daytime coming up.